Okay, class, good morning. I hope you're fine. Now, we're still on approximation, okay? We're still on approximation, okay? Now, we are talking about decimal places, okay? Now, let's say we have a number. Let's say we have 37.74764. Now, this is called what? First or one decimal place. Okay. This is what? Two decimal place. This is what? The third decimal place. So if we have now, you see, it comes after the word point. This point makes it what? Decimal places. This point make all of these decimal places. Okay, they are placed under what? Decimal, because of the word point. And don't forget, this part is what? The whole number. The whole number. So we've treated the whole numbers. Okay, we've treated the whole number. Now we are going to the decimal place. Now let's say you have a question that says approximate to one decimal place, or approximate to two decimal places, or approximate to what? Three decimal places. Okay, now let's continue. Now the rule for this is this. Rules for decimal place. Okay, number one, check. You will see a similarity in approximation. We'll be dealing with between 0 and 4, and what? Between 5 and 9. Okay, we'll be dealing with the two. So that is why we call it approximation. We round up or we round down. Okay, now check if the number after the given decimal place is between 0 to 4 or 5 to 9. So if it is between 0 to 4, what are we going to do? We round down. Okay, we round down. That is plus 0. Now if it is between 5 to 9, we round up. Okay, that is plus 1. Okay, now the rules. Check if the number after the given decimal place is between 0 and 4 or 5 and 9. Now if it is between 0 and 4, we round down, that is plus 0. And if it is between 5 and 9, we round up. Now let's quickly apply it. Let's say we have 32.7652. Example, 32.7652. Now the question is what? Round up or approximate the number above to 1 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, and 3 decimal places. Beautiful. Now don't forget, I said the first one is first decimal place, second one second decimal place, third one third decimal place. If you have the fourth one, it will be the fourth decimal place, the fifth one the fifth decimal place. Now let's quickly solve this solution. Okay, now the number, let's quickly solution 1, which is to 1 decimal place. Okay, so we have 32.7652 to what? 1 decimal place. So that means we are considering this one, and the rule says what? To check the number after. Now the number after the first decimal place is equal to what? 6. Therefore falls between 5 and 9, right? Good. So we round up. Okay, so we round up, that is plus 1. So that means we are going to have 32.7, which is our, isn't it? Now we will now add the 1 to this 7. Okay, we now add the 1, we round up, that is 652. That is, because this is what? 6, so this one will be what? Plus 1, the number that follows. So the final answer will now be what? 32.8. Okay, so I want you to quickly do this before we continue. I know I said we are going to do to 2dp 3dp, but I want you to quickly do this. Question 1, do for 33.274. So round up, approximate to 1 dp. I want to test your knowledge on this. Just calm down and look at what I did or what I have done and use it to solve this. And 3dp. Thank you very much.